Are you looking for a place to jumpstart your business as a stylist, barber, nail technician, or makeup artist? Well, I have great news. MDD Salon Suites is the place for you. MDD Salon Suites provide fully equipped private suites, semi-private partition areas, and common space stations. Private suites are one of our most popular options. This suite is equipped with a full station and mirror, stylish chair and mat, hair dryer, and adequate lighting. Semi-private stations, better known as Partition Suites, will be furnished to appeal to nail technicians, makeup artists, or a stylist. Common area stations will be equipped with a station, mirror, stylish chair with a mat, and adequate lighting as well. They are also located where visibility can provide easy access to walk-in customers. We are located at 11274 Terra Boulevard, Suite 120, Hampton, Georgia 30228. These suites are filling up fast, so don't waste any more time. Visit mddsalonsuites.com or simply pick up the phone and call 678-790-6928. We look forward to hearing from you at MDD Salon Suites.